નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 26, nouns, gender, number list. Students, in your lower classes you learned about number list and genders. From your second standard studies, you studied about the numbers. Numbers means what? And genders. Both things you studied in your lower classes. Now here name changed, but things you learned already. Number list. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of number list. Number list means what? Number list means singular plural. It is a one type of numbers of nouns. When we are talking about one thing, it's a number, one number things is that singular thing. If we are talking about more than one thing, it is known as a plural. Singular means one thing, plural means more than one thing. That type of nouns we already studied in our lower class. Now here one type of revision is there for your nouns. Singular and plural nouns. It is known as a nouns number. उससे हम nouns numbers भी बोल सकते हैं. Singular to plural and plural to singular. How we convert any singular noun into plural form and how we convert plural nouns into singular. Some basic rules and regulations while we converting singular to plural and plural to singular. Some basic rules is given here. In your textbook also that type of rules is given here. We have to understand about it, how we convert singular nouns into plural form. Some rules we have to keep in mind while we are converting the singular noun into plural form. First one is that nouns plus s. Majority of nouns in our English converted into plural form by adding s only. उसके पीछे s लगाने से उसका प्लूरल हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है बेड. बेड के पीछे s, I put s, then it converted into plural form beds. बेड के पीछे s लगाने से उसका प्लूरल हो गया. बेड is a singular, beds is a plural here. So most of nouns in our English converted into plural form by adding s. So first rule is that while converting into singular and plural. Can you know about it? It's a one type of revision for you. You already studied about it. आपने सब कुछ ये पढ़ लिया है, सिर्फ आपके लिए रिवीजन. Second rule is that now we have to understand about second rule. Noun ending in a consonant plus y. जब कोई noun के पीछे y आता है और उसके आगे consonant है, तो y changes to is. तो हमें y का चेंजेस करके उसे is लगाना पड़ेगा. For example, see. With that example, we have to understand about it. See, R-E. See last letter. Which is the last letter? Y. पीछे का letter Y. Before that Y, what is this? Consonant is there. M is a consonant. At that condition, if last letter is Y, before that Y consonant is there, then we have to convert Y into I and put es. So it's become like that. Armies. Remove Y and put ies. जो यहाँ पे मैंने ies लगाया है, Y remove करके ies लगा दिया है. Can you understand? Last letter Y, before that Y consonant is there, then we have to remove Y and we have to put ies instead of Y. So it converted into plural form. Another example is also given in your textbook. You have to study about it. Baby. Baby का last letter Y. Y उसके आगे D. D means consonant. So we have to remove Y and put ies. So baby का plural होता है babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Like that. Third rule. Third rule is given here. F F-E replaced by es. If last letter of any noun is F or F-E, जो नाउन का लास्ट लेटर F और F-E होता है उसको प्लूरल करने के लिए हमें VES लगाना पड़ता है. देखो C-A-L-F. Last letter is F given here. Last letter F So now we can convert it into plural form by VES. एक रिमूव करके हमें क्या लगाना है? VES लगाना है. देखो CALVES. Now you converted into plural. Calf is a singular and cows is a plural form. So keep in mind that rules. If last letter of any noun F or FE, then we have to remove it and replace by VES. Now fourth rules we have to understand. Fourth rules about singular and plural. Nouns ending in O, S, double S, SH, CH and X. जब कोई नाउन के पीछे O, S, double S, SH, CH and X आता है तो उसके पीछे X, ES लगाना पड़ता है. देखो A double S, यहाँ पे double S आया है लास्ट में. So we have to put ES after that U to convert it into plural form. So it's a become a S's. Here last letter is X given. So we have to put ES after it to convert it into plural form. So it's a become like that boxes. So you have to remember that is O, S, double S, SH, CH and X. Then we have to put ES after it. उसके पीछे ES, E लगाना पड़ेगा. Next rule number 5. Noun ending in a vowel plus Y. We see here in first rule noun ending Y, but before consonant then we have to put IES. We have to remove Y and put IES. But here a vowel plus Y. Then what we have to do? We have to put only S. You have to see like that. Last letter Y. But before Y, vowel is there. See here, O is there. So we have to put only, at that condition we have to put only S after it. Boys. Now we converted into boys. वो boys बन जाता है. We don't have to remove Y and we have to put IES. But in which condition? Consonant plus Y हो तब हमें IES लगाना है. मगर यहाँ पे vowel plus Y है, then we don't have to put IES but we have to put only S. उसके पीछे S ही लगेगा. Now rule number 6 we have to. Some nouns change their vowels. Some nouns in English totally change their vowels. वो अपने vowels में changes करता है to plural converter. For example, see here, tooth. See the spelling of tooth. Here two vowel is there, double O. But whenever you do it in a plural form, we convert it into plural form, that its vowel changes to double E. देखो, see here, tooth का क्या हुआ? Teeth हो जाता है. T double E T H. T double E T H. Teeth में convert हो जाता है. Means here vowel changed. Sometimes vowel changed. Vowel change हो जाता है. Now rule number 7 is given here. Some nouns are irregular in English. Some nouns irregular, totally singular and plural form both change here. दोनों अलग-अलग तरीके से होते हैं. No rules and regulation follow. वहाँ पे वो कोई rules नहीं follow करता. Like that child. Child is the singular form, but we can say that children. Children is the plural form. So it's a totally change. The child का children हुआ. It's a totally change. Now rule number 8 is given here. Some nouns used only as a singular. In some cases, some nouns in English remain only singular. Never we can do it plural form. उसका plural हम कभी भी बना नहीं सकते. Always can be a singular form. If we are talking only one thing या more than one thing, but उसका form nouns का singular ही रहेगा. Never converted into plural form. That type of noun. See here, furniture always write that. फर्नीचर ऐसे ही लिखा जाता है. वी कैन नॉट से दैट फर्नीचर हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. एडवाइस वी कैन से एडवाइस ओनली. वी कैन नॉट राइट एडवाइसेस. ऐसा हम लिख नहीं सकते. ऑलवेज दे रिमेन इन अ सिंगुलर. एंड लास्ट rule, some nouns used only as a plural. Some nouns on the contrary, in rule number 8 we discussed that some nouns remain singular and only singular. But rule number 9 says that some nouns remain plural and plural only. We cannot convert it into singular form. We cannot write in a singular form. हम उसे singular में लिख ही नहीं सकते. देखो जीन्स, ऑलवेज वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दैट, जीन्स। वी कैन नॉट राइट जीन, JEN, ऐसा लिख नहीं सकते, वो फॉरएवर जीन से लिखना पड़ता है। देन सीजर्स, आपने फॉलो किया, सीजर्स आपके पास होती है, वी हैव टू राइट इन प्लूरल फॉर्म इन एनी कंडीशन, उससे हमें कोई भी कंडीशन में प्लूरल में ही लिखना पड़ता है सीजर्स को। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? सो हियर दिस इज द बेसिक रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन टू कन्वर्ट इनटू सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, प्लूरल टू सिंगुलर। Now in our next screen we have to understand about gender, how we change gender. Gender means masculine, feminine. Okay, now we have to understand about gender. Gender means what? First of all we have to understand the meaning of gender. In our previous screen we discussed about singular, plural nouns, about nouns, we number list we discussed about it. Now here in that screen we have to understand about gender. But first of all we require the knowing about the meaning of gender. What is gender? Gender का मतलब क्या? Gender means जाति, पुरुष, स्त्री, मेल, फीमेल, it is known as a gender. उससे हम gender बोल सकते हैं. Male, female, neuter, all included in the gender. Gender means jati in Gujarati or Hindi language. Okay, so here in that little topic we have to understand about gender. Actually, how many types of gender is there? We have to understand about. Actually, 4 types of gender is there in our English now. First one is that masculine gender. Masculine gender. Masculine gender included male-related nouns, male-related things. Masculine means male-related. For example, I write here man. It is included into masculine gender. Father, brother, uncle, all things included into masculine gender. Male-related words included into masculine gender. Understand, students? Now, second one is that feminine gender. Second one is that feminine gender. Feminine gender is related with female. Female related words included into feminine gender. For example, women, mother, sister, auntie, all the things are all included into feminine gender. Feminine gender means female related words. Masculine gender means male related words. And feminine gender means female related words. Now third one is that common gender. Third one is that common gender. Whom we call as common gender. Common gender means included both things, male and female. Both things included into that gender. We cannot know about it is a male or female. That types of word included into common gender. जिसके बारे में हमें पता नहीं है वो मेल है या फीमेल है, वो टाइप के जो वर्ड है उससे हमें कॉमन जेंडर में इंक्लूड करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी चाइल्ड. We don't know about child, baby child या baby boy. Just only child. Child means we cannot know about gender, male or female. At that time we have to include it to common gender. Common gender. Teacher. Teacher में भी male और female. Teacher male भी हो सकते हैं और female भी हो सकते हैं. So वो teacher word included into common gender. वो हम common gender में डालें because we are not clarified. We are not sure about male or female. Teacher means both. Okay. Third one is the doctor. We always say that doctor, but doctor may be है male और female. कभी doctor male भी हो सकता है, female भी हो सकते हैं. So doctor word included into common gender. So that type of words we have to include into common gender. And last type is that neuter gender. Last type is that neuter gender. No gender. Gender नहीं है, ऐसी चीजें इसमें include होते हैं. No gender, neuter gender. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स इसमें इंक्लूड होती है जिसमें जीव नहीं. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स फॉर एग्जांपल टेबल, बेंच, इट इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग, सो इट इज इंक्लूडेड इनटू न्यूट्रल जेंडर. वो हमें न्यूट्रल जेंडर में पुट करना पड़ेगा. देन कलेक्टिव नाउन्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल क्लास, हर्ड ऑफ सीट, ऑल इंक्लूडेड इनटू न्यूट्रल जेंडर. जो पूरा कलेक्टिव ग्रुप का नेम हो वो न्यूट्रल जेंडर होता है. क्रिकेट टीम, cricket team is is a neutral gender because in cricket team male also included, female cricket team also included. So we can say that neutral gender it is. It is known as a neutral gender. So as a non-living things. Just you have to keep in mind that non-living thing included into neutral gender. Understand student? So here 4 types of gender we discussed. So with that we discussed about 4 types of gender: masculine, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Idea clear about it? Gender के बारे में idea clear हुआ students? So with that here our lesson number 26 nouns, number list, gender or nouns, gender, number list we completed. Okay? Remaining lessons we have to see in our next video. Thank you for joining us.